Hello beautiful people. Today we are going to talk about a very sensible topic about a structural analyst. If you are looking for a job post as a structural analyst, then this video is for you. So this video, the information which I am going to deliver today, it's completely based on the experience by my colleagues, by some of my friends and some of my ex-students, and some feedback I'll be giving for my personal experience also. So without much delay, let's begin. And yes, this video might get a bit lengthy, so don't skip, because here we are going to discuss a detailed information that how you can be a structural analyst as a fresher, and what is the future scope, being an mechanical background, civil background, aerospace and any other equivalent department. So in this video, I'm going to give you the glimpse about what are the subjects required if you want to apply as a structural analyst or planning to apply. What are the critical areas of the scope where they ask a question, what sort of question they ask in interview. So in this video, we are going to share all this in-depth information with you. So let's begin one by one. The first one what we have is the what sort of areas of the scope, or what are the subjects that you need to focus on this particular to apply for this structural analyst. So first and foremost, what you need is a engineering mechanics. Then you should have a material science, manufacturing technology or production technology. You should be aware of strength of material. So strength of material play a very vital role. So in the interview questions, I'll be telling how you can relate this strength of material, how it can play a very vital role. Then coming to the next subject is if the particular structural analyst is belong to any aerospace industry, then definitely you should be aware of aircraft structures 1 and 2, where it deals with structural analysis, then which may be indulged with FEM, that is finite element methods. Then further you should have a knowledge on vibrations, theory of elasticity. Then in future you should also have an idea the fabrication of composite material and composite material analysis. So these are the few subjects you have to be very thorough with. So talking about the core qualifications, minimum they need a bachelor degree, either in terms of mechanical, civil, aerospace or any other relevant department. So if you have done any project relevant to finite element method. Now finite element method, it's a very vast area. So somewhere linear finite element method or non-linear finite element method. Some are static, some are dynamic. Somewhere you need to understand about the vibration systems. You need to understand the acoustic, aero-elasticity. There is a huge thing you can work on the structural part. So as a fresher, they will only give you as the very basic, maybe in terms of stress, bending, analysis, or of a particular structures, or the very ground level, we can say, very ground level. So here talking about FEM, obviously you should have a software knowledge, which in terms of implicit and explicit systems or explicit analysis. So you should be aware of what sort of boundary conditions to be applied, what sort of solver to be needed to put on. Now they are very much precise with their tools and techniques that you're going to use to solve it. So first of all, you need to know the Nastran pattern, then ANSYS, Hyperloop, CATIA, then SolidWorks. These are the basic softwares you have to be aware of it. Now when it comes to the software, when you are applying as a structural analyst, you should be aware of the software. Now when we are talking about the software, you should be very keen or should have a clear knowledge, a proficient knowledge regarding the command tools you are going to use for that each and every software. Talking about CATIA, SolidWorks, Nastran pattern. So you must be very much clear with the command tools. and what should be what sort of when you will implement implicit analysis, when you will include the explicit analysis, you must be very much clear, because in interview they mostly ask the questions on that, how much clear with your concept. Nobody is going to ask you solve this problem or tell me that problem. They are going to ask you from the simple questions. So those things, if we have time, then we will discuss in this video itself. Otherwise we can expect us in the next video. So moving forward, that further they also based on their job scope, they also look at whether you are proficient in MATLAB or Simulink, whether you are aware of MS Excel, Word and PowerPoint also, because whenever you are discussing any project related things, you need to use those simple tools. So you should be aware of these simple tools also. Then what are the top recruiters they're recruiting as a structural analyst? Airbus, Boeing, Caterpillar, Quest Global, Alter. So likewise, there are n number of companies they are looking for an structural analyst. There are so many startup companies also they're looking as structural analyst also. Now, what sort of salary you are expecting from here? So it depends on the project you're working on it. So if you're aerospace engineer, if you're a civil engineer, if you're a mechanical engineer, this pay scale may vary based on the project you are working on it. Now in general, as a basic, I'm telling you will be getting minimum 25,000 per month. Okay, now this again may vary based on the profile. I am telling in some rough average value. Especially this may be applicable for aerospace students, aerospace engineering or aeronautical engineering, if they are skillful in this particular softwares or the tools which I have shared in this video. Now already have shared the top recruiters job profile and what sort of interview questions, that also I'm gonna share with you in the next video, because I don't want to prolong this video in a very big way. So see you in the next video. If you have any questions or if you have any requested video, do let me know in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then,